This is the fourth cutting-edge marine science laboratory to be launched. It boasts of microscopes as well as an off-road vehicle and a boat, now cutting time to do research by a big margin.
In this particular laboratory, what you can then do with the specimens that we've brought from the ocean, keep in mind these are live specimens. So what we can then do, we can do stress response experiments where we look at how then the organisms will then respond as they are exposed to different stresses. The source of stress can be environmental, can be human.
The Joint Marine Laboratories program also aims to strengthen collaboration between the universities.
The uniqueness about the Joint Marine Labs is the close collaboration between four historically disadvantaged universities, which is the University of the Western Cape, Fort Hare University, Walter Sisulu University, and University of Zululand. So they are working very closely together, and as you know, collaboration ignites impact because they exchange ideas, they get access to research facilities that may not be available at some of the other universities.
So the purpose of the Joint Marine Research Labs was in fact to provide those universities with a research facilities, to provide the funding so that people can develop the research facilities that would allow students to do high quality research. Each of the Joint Marine Labs have a different focus, and this one in particular is a very important one, focusing on the issue of how we can get livelihood opportunities from the ocean. But in order to maximize livelihood opportunities from the ocean, you need to be able to study the kind of organisms that are in the ocean.
Communities along the coast are also set to benefit.
This lab is based on the research that we had done on the different communities along the Wild Coast. So from our findings, we managed to collate our results to be able to tell what are the major needs that are marine related. Then they benefit from a knowledge perspective. That's number one. Number two, the results that we get from here, that will do aquaculture studies. So the pilot studies that we do will then be incorporated into the coastal communities through the small scale fishing cooperative.
This has also been seen as a way not only to inspire learners to study science, but to study science at local institutions like Walter Sisulu University. Lwandile Mbulali, Mthatha in the Eastern Cape.